friends, let's check out West Beach at Indian Dunes together. It's a really awesome place, huge sandy dunes, beautiful scenery, and just the right vibe for summer days.
Mama is also good. Annika, play with Ciara. See
When I'm going deep, it's pushing me back.
Yeah, it will push me back. I think where they put it. Just jump. Come more deeper, more deeper. Do back. Yes, do back.
Dare, huh? Dare to be different.
Comfortable? You can walk? Wow, Sierra, good job. We are going to climb that. Are you excited?
Yes, we're going to the big stairs.
Yeah.
Going to the science stairs. 20, 21, 22. I'm trying to get the same spot.
Wow, Sierra is fast. Oh my God. Sierra is so strong.
I'm going to reach. I'm going to reach.
Yeah. See how far we come.
I'm going to reach. Yes, I reached.
Yeah, Sierra win. No, Sierra win.
You actually lose.
Oh wow.
Actually lose.
Sierra is the winner.
Yes.
Yes. Good.
Round is good.
Good job, Sierra. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah.
Theo, behind you.
Oh, behind Mama. Oh.
I'm behind you. That's why.
Come, come.
Why? It's making me take some
You don't need to put
time.
a fan.
It's making me
Tanka
take
vada
some
kali
time.
you need to make sure your
It's making
leg is
me
off.
sweet.
Where is Sierra?
You're back. Which way are we going to go? Let's do it. We're going out, aren't we?
Anika, are you enjoying
Yes.
walking in sand?
Yeah, this is the deep sand. But it
Yeah.
says no. Stay off that type of room.
such a blast. First time really enjoying the wave. Felt like Puri beach of Odisha. Then we climbed the daring dune. Sierra totally surprised us by scaling it all her own. No help needed. Awesome. Spending time with friends like this, pure joy. Oh, and the parking was just $25. That's whole day, total adventure vibe. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this, give it a like, share with your crew, and subscribe for more fun moments. Stay tuned for what's next. See you soon.